Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a hair transformation, makeup, like a little monochromatic vibe. Like I love this. I love it. Like I feel like a freaking Power Ranger, Fanta girl, whatever you want to call it. Like, do you guys say Fanta or Fanta? I feel like when they were singing they said wanna Fanta, but it's like Fanta. Anyways, I just am feeling this whole purple look. I've never done purple before, and it's like real monochromatics, like different shades of purple. My eyes are a dark purple, my hair is like this like lilac pinky purple, shirts like this it's just everything. And this hair is from Allove hair. I did do a video on the hair previously. It was platinum blonde. I showed you guys how I did that, but I just want to switch it up. I just want to do something new, and I really like how this came out. So if you want to see how I got this whole look, please excuse the lighting, you guys. It's been a struggle today. Just keep watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are back at the sink, okay? This is part 2 of this blonde hair. So as you can see, the water's steaming because I'm gonna do the why do I always forget what it's called? The watercolor method. I always want to say hot color method, but this is the watercolor method, and I'm putting the shade Soft Lavender by Adore in there, and I thought that was gonna be fine. I just wanted a little lavender tease, you know what I'm saying? Something light. But when I had put it in, it didn't catch to the hair at all. So like it wasn't enough dye. Like you have to use a lot of dye when doing the water. Well, not a lot of dye, but a decent amount of dye. So I went in with, I think this is called Violet Gem. I'm just using what I had. I did not buy this. I just didn't feel like going out to buy anything, and I have a bunch of like half used Adore colors and stuff. So I'm like, girl, we're finna improvise and make some shake. Okay, so I did that, and as you can see, the color is grabbing to the hair now and it's doing its thing. So just a tip when doing watercolor method, you want to make sure that you're combing through the hair during the process, dipping it, spreading it out, because what happens is the hair really only coats the top of the hair. So when you part it or you're trying to like comb through it, the whole middle is blonde. So don't let these people fool you talking about, oh, I just dipped it. And no, you need to comb through it, spread it out, get it in there, all that. So as you can see, my hair is purple. I just posted this picture on Instagram and Twitter, and everybody's like, oh my god, pink, pink, pink. I'm like, it's literally purple. I don't know why the camera's picking up whatever the hell. Those are the two colors. Screenshot it, pause it, write it down. Gotcha. But yeah, but that pretty much completes it. And now we're gonna get into this makeup look. Okay, alright guys, so as you guys can see in the first clip, I did the watercolor method on this platinum blonde hair. In my last video, the hair was like platinum blonde, you know what I'm saying? Like it was bright, but I just wanted to do something different, and I really like how this color came out. This is like a custom color, I guess you can say, because I mixed 2 different Adore dyes. I'll leave them below because I don't know, but nothing changed. I didn't install the wig on camera because I did that already. I didn't straighten it because I did it on the mannequin. It just was kind of redundant because it's literally the same wig, and I really did that with this cut, you guys. This cut is it. I was debating going a little bit shorter. But I just don't want to mess up what I got going on, so I'm gonna leave it. And when I put the wig on, after straightening it, it went like this, and I kind of like it to the side. You guys know I'm side part queen, so I left it like that. Only difference is I used the olive oil Fix It spray. So bomb. It literally melted my lace. I know you guys can see that cast right now, but I literally need to take like a warm towel and just kind of wipe that off. That's what I always do, but it's just like dried, so it looks like that. But like, if you look at the lace in the last video, it was kind of like caking up because I used the bed head, and I haven't used this on regular frontal install, so I'm not sure yet. But so far, this one is popping. Okay, so I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, you need to. But in my last on my story, I had put like, I'm trying to find the best spray. So you know, like I got all the sprays, you know what I'm saying? I got all of them, and I'm trying to find the best one. So far, I would honestly say this one is really good, you guys. Like, I was really surprised. Like, it dries fast, it doesn't get too sticky and tacky. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. It's really straight. Like, I didn't even do anything. I didn't even press it out. Like, I didn't use the pressing comb. So we're good in the hood. But I'm just gonna flat iron it and then put my scarf on so that it can, you know, just melt a little better, mold into the skin. There's like different shades of purple. Like right there looks like a little periwinkle. Then I got like a little pinky I'm living. I haven't done purple hair yet, and I was surprised. I'm like, I want to do something different, but I couldn't figure out what it was that I wanted to do. And this hair, you guys, straightens so good. I've actually been really pleased with this hair. It has a lot of lace parting, which that has been my biggest problem with a lot of 613s. It's normally like that weird parting space. I'm not a fan of that, but this one has a lot of parting. But I didn't physically want a part this time. Like, I could part it all the way back here if I wanted to. I just wanted to kind of be like effortless and flipped over. So that's what I'm going for today. So I'm just gonna run the flat iron through it. I did do it on the mannequin head already and then just put the wig on. But you know me, gotta be extra. Gotta be extra. Like, look at the little different shades. Please excuse this. This is gonna be gone, I promise. I am just I just have to wipe that away. Today I'm doing like a monochromatic look. Purple, just different shades of purple. Fanta girl vibe. So I'm gonna get into it, honey. Okay, so we're about to get into this makeup, and oh, I found my lip liner. So we're gonna get into this makeup look. I don't want anybody complaining about my lighting. It just literally got so gloomy. So I don't know if it's about to rain. All my lights on are in my room, but like, it's not bugging with me. But you guys can see me though, right? You can see me, so we're not gonna complain about the lighting, okay? So I'm basically gonna do the same look that you guys saw the first time I had the blonde look, because I really like that. And I know somebody's probably gonna ask. And it's also like this purplish, periwinkle-ish color. So I'm going to do that today. And you're gonna like it, okay? So monochromatic, meaning different shades of purple. It doesn't have to be matchy, but it's gonna be in the same family. So I hope that purple doesn't throw it off. I hope it coordinates nicely. But we're gonna see. Alright, to start off this look, I'm gonna be going with my bronzer. And I'm just gonna sweep that through the crease because I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm actually using the shade Mocha Mommy because it's more of a reddish brown, so it's gonna complement the look. And I'm also using my bronzer because I'm able to drag it down to my nose. You guys know I've been loving that look of my eyeshadow to just kind of come down. But yeah, I'm really over this lighting. I'm about to invest into some lights, some panel lights or something. I heard those are better, but then I know a lot of people who just use a ring light and they be filming in a blacked out room, and I'm just kind of like, okay. And I've been watching like all these videos on how people do their lighting, and they have like these little boards, but like my room is not gonna be looking like that. I'm sorry. So you guys, we are bringing it back. I'm using an OG palette. This is the ABH Artist Palette. And I really loved this palette when it came out. Like, I felt like I had to have it. So I'm going in with this purpley shade. Don't know how to say this word. I'm not going to butcher it. But just use like a dark purple, a burgundy purple, something similar to Sketch. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with that shade from MAC. Just putting that in the crease. So I'm going to apply that NYX glitter primer. Just a thin layer. I don't want it to be too thick. I'm taking this shade Unicorn. It's like a pretty periwinkle-ish color, and I love this shade. I'm just gonna press that on the eyelid. And it's not really purple, but it's in the family. Like I said, I didn't want to do anything too matchy. Just like monochromatic, okay? So I feel like to make this look complement the hair a little bit more, I need a pink. So I'm just going to take Pinker from the Jackie Aina palette. Take any pink, honestly, and just kind of sweep that on the outer part. And voila, we are making progress. Okay, so do the most obnoxious wing that you can. Doesn't matter if it's even. uneven because you're gonna put on lashes. So moving on to the face, honey. I feel like I've been slacking. I feel like I've been slacking on my face game lately. So I'm using my Pretty Fresh primer again. I'm just gonna stick to what I know because trying to switch it up does nothing for me. So next I'm going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. And I'm just gonna fill in these pores because baby, this week my skin has been disrespectful. My skin has been disrespectful this week, okay? I really want to switch up my foundation, but I really don't want to mess up the flow. So I'm going to be using my NYX Total Control Foundation. And y'all know how that go. Doesn't do me wrong. And I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk sponge. I haven't used a brush in so long. Maybe I'll... So I'm going to be going in with my good old Born This Way Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I'm going to be using the shade Chai, and then I'm going to go on top with a little bit of butterscotch. So Chai is going to conceal me, butterscotch is going to highlight me. You feel me? I'm also going to go in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Sable, just to, you know, snatch it up, bring me some color. I probably used too much, but what's new? What's new, guys? But I just really like what this does to my face. And of course, I'm going to be using my Fit Me powder in the shade number 30. And I love this powder. I love it. Yes, I do. And I'm just going to press that under my eyes and then bake. So you want to press that in like ASAP so you don't crease. And then you can bake if you want. You don't have to. I have normal skin, so I'm able to do that. If you have dry skin, just go ahead and press it in. If you have oily skin, bake. And for my all over face powder today, I'm going to be using my Born This Way powder. I like it because it has a really natural finish, but it's also full coverage at the same time. So it doesn't give you that super matte look. It just gives you a nice coverage. I'm going to be using my Morphe bronzer. No, I'm going to use Coco Naughty. Okay, I'm going to stick to what I know. I'm going to use Coco Naughty. And I'm just going to bronze up the skin. I'm just going to take some powder and reverse contour that thing. You know, a lot of you guys have been asking me for videos on reverse contouring, but there's really no science to it. You literally just, and that's it, okay? And we're gonna do a little blush. I'm gonna be using my ColourPop blush in the shade Drop of a Hat because, I mean, I just don't wanna like do too much on my face when my hair is out of my element. So I'm gonna take my Fenty highlighter, you guys see that? And just highlight my nose, because you guys know I don't play about my nose highlight now. That's what I like. So my face is pretty much done. I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix and spray my face. I'm about to do some lashes, bottom mascara, and I'm gonna be back for the lip, even though you guys already know what lip I'm probably doing, but it's okay. Well, I feel like the inner corner needs a little something, a little va va boom. So I'm gonna go in my Huda Beauty palette and take this shade. I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna, that's what it needed. Pop that in there and use a smaller brush. Don't be like me. But I'm going in with my lip liner in the shade Dark Brown. You guys, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. ABH nude. I promise for 2020, I'm gonna try different lip combos. Comment below your favorite lip combo. And I'm gonna try it, I promise. I would have done a pink with this, but that's just too much. Face is sitting. Do you got, do I need to show you how my face? Do we see this? Do we see my face? Do we see how it's sitting? Excuse my pores though, but baby, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back. Okay, purple realness. I feel like a Fanta girl. Remember? Wanna Fanta? Don't you wanna Fanta? I love this so much. This is so cute. I haven't done anything fun in so long. I'm just going back over this. It's really straight as you can see, but I had the clip in. I just want to avoid any dents. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is cute. Oh, Tasha, you did that. All right, guys, so that pretty much completes. Oh, and let me show you guys my nails. They look kind of cheesy. Like, I don't really like this, but you know, it had a little purple in it. So I thought, but you know, nothing could top my Nipsey nails. I'm gonna get some, oh my God, that reminds me, I need to DM her. I'm gonna get some more nails made because I just really like them. They were really custom. They look like like this looks like press-ons, you know, but it will finesse, like if I take a picture, it's gonna work. But you guys, the hair is popping against the purple and the purple on the eye. Like, everything came out bomb, okay? Like, I will say everything came out better than I thought. I'm really excited. You can tell I'm like genuinely happy about how this look came out. So if you like this video, do not forget to like it. If you're here and you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.